Law and social justice.
Markets that tend to be exploitative of people, therefore, the government makes certain laws to protect people from such exploitation. These laws try to check unfair practices in the market, private companies, contractors, etc., in order to make maximum profit might deny workers their right and not pay them wages. In this regard, there is a law on minimum wages which ensures that workers are paid fairly. The government is also keen to protect the interest to producers and consumers in the market. There are also laws for them. These laws ensure that the relation between the workers, consumers, and producers are governed in a manner that is not exploitative. Well, law are there to protect various interests, but what is important in this regard is the implementation of these laws. Unless these laws are enforced, it will be difficult to protect the weak from the strong. To ensure that every workers get fair wages, the government has to regularly inspect work site and punish those who violate the law. Through making enforcing the upholding these laws, the government can control the activities to individuals or private companies in order to ensure social justice is a workers' worth. In October 2006, the government amended the Child Labour Prevention Act, etc. It made employing these children punishable offence. Bhopal gas tragedy is the world's worst industrial tragedy that took place in the year 1984. Union Carbide (UC), the American company, had a factory in Bhopal in which they produced pesticides. At midnight on 2nd December 1984, methyl isocyanide, a highly poisonous gas, started leaking from the UC plant, which took numerous lives among those who survived. Many developed serve disorders. Children developed peculiar abnormalities. Now the question arises, why Union Carbide set up its plant in India. Foreign companies usually come to India for cheap labor. Here they can save cost and earn higher profit. Lower workers' conditions, including lower safety measures, are used as way of cutting costs in the UC plant. Every safety device was malfunctioning. In India, there is so much unemployment that there are many workers who are willing to work even in unsafe conditions in return for a wage. The employers take advantages of these. Enforcement of safety laws. The government must ensure that the safety laws are implemented. It is also the duty of the government to ensure that the right to life granted by the Constitution is not violated. The Bhopal disasters show lacking of the government's part. There were weak safety laws, and these too were not enforced. In the year the Bhopal gas tragedy took place, there were a few laws protecting the environment in India. New laws to protect the environment. The Bhopal disaster brought the issue of environment to the forefront. The Indian government introduced new laws on the environment. Henceforth, the polluter was not to be held accountable for the damage done to environment. One of the prime responsibilities of the government is to make appropriate laws and to enforce them. Laws that are weak and poorly enforced can cause serious disaster. I hope you understand this whole chapter. Thank you and have a nice day, student. See you in next class.